Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make homemade powdered milk or milk powder. This is very easy to make and you only need one ingredient for this recipe. Let's get started. So I'll use 1 liter of milk. Out of 1 liter of the milk that I used, I got more or less 100 grams of powdered milk. So if you want that much, you can use about 2 to 3 liters of milk. And bear in mind, 1 liter of milk is equal to more or less 100 grams of powdered milk, maybe 100, 110 or 120. I added the milk to my saucepan and then I'll stay close to it and keep stirring it until it turns creamy. Make sure you stay close to it. If not, it will get burned quickly at the bottom of the pot or your pan, and maybe it will be more brown instead of coming a little bit off white. So stay close to it. That was what I did. I was stirring it from time to time until it turns creamy. So guys, you only need one ingredient for this recipe, but then if you want, you can add sugar to it once it's done, and then when you have to blend, you add just a little bit of powdered sugar to it. But then I didn't use powdered sugar for mine, so that is totally optional. That's why I'm saying you only need one ingredient for this recipe. So I kept stirring it until it turns creamy. So when you get to this point like this, you are almost there. You are not there yet, but quasi. When they say quasi in Italian, it's almost. I'll let it turn a little bit creamier more, and then I'll take it off from the fire. So guys, this is what you're looking for. When you get to this point, it's ready, and then take it off from the fire. I'll turn it into my bowl and then spread it. Make sure it's well spreaded in my bowl, and then I'll put it on the sun for 3 hours. So I'm using a bowl, but then you can use something more flat. This was what I was having to. After 3 hours, I took it from the sun, and then I'll give it a quick stir. As you can tell from the video, the surface of the milk is hard, so I'll give it a quick stir. Make sure everything has come together, and then I'll cover it with a net. Make sure you cover it with something to stop it from any insects. So after 3 hours, I took it back again, and then I break it into smaller pieces. As you can see, it's getting hard here, so I break it into smaller pieces. I'll then put it back on the sun again, and this is it, guys. So make sure from time to time, check and then stir it, or if you have to break it into smaller pieces, break it. This is what you're looking for. It should be hard like this. Make sure it's dried, just like so. I'll then transfer it into my coffee grinder, and then I'll grind this until smooth. If you don't have a coffee grinder, you can use a blender to blend it, but then a blender makes it more smooth. If you want that is fine. So I'll go ahead and grind them until it's smooth, just like so, and then I'll sieve it. So guys, this is very simple and it's easy. I hope you really enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, just look at it. At this point, I went ahead and sieved mine, but then if you want, you can even leave it like that and you are good to go. So this is it, guys. This is so simple, and making this in your recipe, using it in your recipes will be very nice. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.